Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to access video performance metrics in the Edits app. All right. So first up, go ahead and open up the Instagram Edits app. Now, once you're in here and these tabs below, make sure that you select this icon. It kind of resembles as a network icon. Okay. Just tap on it. Now, as you can see here, for the whole account, we have these metrics. Okay. Reels, views, reach, likes, comments, and shares. Now, how do we access a specific video performance metrics? Now, let's just go ahead and tap on the video itself. For example, this one. I'm just going to tap on it. And here we have the views, the likes, the comments, and shares, and the saves. All right. Here we have the engagement. We have the skip rate, like rate, comment rate, and all of the good stuffs. Now, when we scroll down, we have the Reels total views. This is from followers, which is 100%. Non-followers, 0%. Retention rate here, as you can see, the video is 20 seconds long. All right. And most of the viewers stopped watching at the 18-second mark. That's basically how you check or access the video performance metrics here in the Edits app. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.